So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add payment method on your Instagram easily. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app, then go to profile. Now here you have to go to settings and activity. Once you have entered settings and activity, just scroll down and find an option orders and payments. So once you have entered orders and payments, now here you will see multiple options. Just go to payment methods, then go to add payment method. Now here you will see multiple options like PayPal, ShopPay, credit or debit card. I will go with credit or debit card. So once you've entered credit and debit card, it will ask you about your details like name, country, your address and city, state and postal code. After you've entered all the details, you have to just press save option on top right corner, and that's it. That's how you can add payment method on your Instagram. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel Tutormania. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.